Good morning, guys. So today you're going to be taking your Hatchet test. So when you log on to Clever, you click on Mastery Connect. This is already shared for you, so all you have to do is click on Start Assessment. So this test is a really easy one. Since we haven't been able to be in class together and really talk about the book and do some deeper activities, this should be a really straightforward test. It should be really easy to get the answers for it. Now, because this is an easier test, it is a lot longer. It's 60 questions. So that means if you get questions wrong, it's not going to count as much. So I thought this would be a good test for you to take for this book, especially since y'all are all at home and we're not able to do it together. Now, what you'll do is you can use anything that you want to answer this test. So you have all of your questions. So from chapter 1 all the way through chapter 19 and the epilogue. You can use any of those. Up here, I have the Hatchet Summary website. So this is the website that I think does the best on giving you summaries of what the chapter was about. And that's the one that looks like this. So you have the summary, and then all of the chapters are right here. So you can just click on whichever one, and you don't have to use this. You could use any summary on Google that you find that you want to use. And then you also have the option to Google any words or anything that you're not sure of. Okay. Now, a lot of this should be really simple if you listened to the read alouds and you've been following along. None of this should be a super hard question to ask. Like it says, what gift did he receive while on his way to the airport? Well, if you look at the options, only one of them really makes sense. So they should be really easy to answer. Okay. Now, that is all that you're doing today is just taking this test. So you should have been done with the questions for Hatchet. So all you have to do is just take this test. It's set for 7 days. So I'm going to put these test grades in the grade book this weekend. So you have until Friday to actually go in and take the test. So you have today's Wednesday, so you have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to go in and actually take it. But I'm going to put in the grades on Friday. Now, Mastery Connect, it has the code set for 7 days. So if you don't get it done by Friday and I put in NHI into the grade book, you need to comment and tell me that you've taken it if it's past those 3 days so that I can go in and put it in. Now, if you still haven't done it after the 7 days and the code locks you out, you need to private message me or have your parents email me and we need to talk about it. Okay? All right. So that should be all. Don't forget, Unit 15 vocab is due on Saturday. That's going to be your quiz grade. So we're almost done with grades. You're only going to have a couple more things to do for major and minor grades. Now remember, this test is your first major grade for this 9 weeks. So if you do good, it should really, really bump you up. If you do bad, though, it's going to really, really bring you down. So I really want you to take your time, look up everything, and make sure that you know absolutely 100% that what you pick is the right answer. I know that you're at home. I know that you have a lot of stuff going on, but try and set aside an hour and really go through and check all these answers and make sure that you're doing it right. Okay? You can private comment me on anything if you have any questions, and I'll be there to help you. Okay? All right. Good luck, and I will see y'all in a Google Meet. Bye.